Hi, good evening. Okay, sorry. So I'll start for the day. Let me share my screen. Okay, done. Hope you are getting my screen. Okay. So in previous class, what happened? WebDriver methods, right? We have seen our WebDriver methods. Where is that? WebDriver methods. Okay, it's okay. So WebDriver methods we have seen on previous class. And the syntax of other description also. Okay, so now we'll start with our Selenium program. So please listen carefully. Hope you are getting my screen right. Can you see? Can you hear me? Hello, can anyone please respond? So here, before going for that Selenium program, so I'll show you that Maven project creation, how to create Maven project and then add jars, then it will works for you. Okay, so now I'll start from the scratch. Let me close all these things. Okay. Okay, so Go to here, file, there is a file option, click on that, okay, and then come to here Maven project, okay. So here just click on file and come to new, there is a Maven project. This one we need to create Maven project, okay. So once you are done with that, it will show you that new Maven project, okay. So if you can see here, there is a M icon in right side. It is showing here M icon, okay, and no need to change here. So as it is, go with use default workspace location, okay. Of course, if you want to use your particular location, you can go with that location. You can browse wherever you want like that, okay. But as of now, no need of anything. So as this, you can go with the use default workspace location, okay, and then click next, okay. Now if you can see here, retrieving arch types here, it is loading here, okay. So just wait a moment. It will take some time to retrieving all arch types, okay. Now it's done, it's completed. Now if you can see here, here in this filters, in this filters it is showing group id, artifact id, and version, okay. So in this version, just type here Maven, okay, and hyphen arch type, arche type, okay, arch type, and quick start, okay. See here, so if you can see here, quick start, okay. So in this, select this apache.maven.arch type, group id, and artifact id, this one, and version is 1.5, okay. So just click on this, okay. Now then come to next, just click on here next, okay. So now it is created. Now, so here you need to provide a group id, that is a unique one, okay. So new project, okay. So is it clear as of now? So just provide your group id, that unique one, okay. And now I'll give you something here, automation testing, that group id, okay, and Java Selenium, like this. Training, okay, artifact id I'll give. So if you can see here, there is a package name, it is showing the package name will be like this, automation testing dot Java Selenium, okay. So like this, 1 second. Now I'll cancel this one. So what is that automation? Okay, fine, thank you. Now, so this is how you can create a Maven project, okay. Now I'll go and I'll create Maven project. Here I can take this one also, Maven plus, use default location, and come to filters and see this retrieving done. Again I'm repeating, so listen carefully. Retrieving arch tabs, once it is completed, here in this there is a green color loading. So wait a moment, now it's done. Now you can, there is a filter here, just click Maven hyphen arch type quick start, and this, select this one, click on next. automation artifact ID. I'll give you like this. Selenium Java training. Okay. I can give like dot also artifact ID. Training. Okay. So please capture this one. You can give the unique one which is not there in this project, in your Eclipse entire project. Okay, so automation testing is a project name we are giving, and this package name it is artifact ID. Now I'll click on finish. Okay, done. So now it is loading here, creating new architect quick start. Okay, so now let's wait for few seconds. Okay, now here if we can come to here, it is showing why. Just click on enter in this console. It will complete quickly. Okay, so building done. Okay, so your new Maven project created. Okay, so where is that? Let's check it. What is that name? So this is one, Selenium dot Java training, right? Now, so this is a group ID. Now this is the package. Now, so this is a artifact ID given here, like it is. Just open this one. Okay, so it is app test. So let's check it whether it is working or not. I'll create main method. This is out. Selenium automation. Just I'm printing something. You can test just for our checking. Okay, let's execute this one. Perfect. Okay, it is getting printed, right? So it is working fine now. Okay, okay, guys. So this is how you can create a Maven project. Okay, now we are done with the Maven project creation. Now I close everything. So what is our project? This is a Selenium Java new Maven project. Okay, now so configure all the jars here. Just click on build path, configure build path, and then click on class path. So here there is a add external jars. Okay, please capture this one parallelly. Take a screenshot. Okay, under library there is a class path. Click on class path and come to here add jars. Now come to first I'll add Selenium jars. I'll click first these two things, and then again click on class path. Come to external add jars and go to lib. There is a 4 jars. Select all is 5 also. There is 5. Okay. Again I'll come to WebDriver. Okay, so we are left with WebDriver jars. Okay, this is WebDriver jars manager. So this one also I added. Okay, so just now click on apply and then apply and close. Okay, now it is showing a reference library. If you can see here, all the jars got added here. See, WebDriver and all the Selenium jars got added. Okay, now one more thing, Chrome driver. Just you can go to your project and click on new and come to new folder. So in this you can give something, anything. I'll give a resource. Okay, so resources, one folder I created, and Chrome driver. Where is the Chrome driver? I'll copy paste here. Earlier I posted here something. Okay, so here I have Chrome driver jars. I'll copy and I'll paste in our current project, Maven project. Where is this is the resource folder I created just now. I'll paste here. See here, now it is getting added here. Chrome driver jars. Okay, so that Chrome driver already previous class we have seen that downloaded. Okay, that Chrome driver 131. My Chrome is okay. Now I'll close this one. Okay, guys. So we are done with all the drivers, Chrome driver. Okay. So this is page object model form. So this is a Maven project we have created. So it overview dependencies. No need to worry about all these things. Just for your information, just you can explore dependencies, hierarchy, effective POM, on POM. Okay. So there are all dependencies here. So you can add a WebDriver manager dependencies. If you can go to that Maven repository. Okay. So now I'll show you launch application. Okay. How to launch application. Open application. I'll create one class. Open application. Okay. I'll take main method as well. Okay, guys. Okay. Now. So just I created a one class. So listen here from here onwards carefully. Okay. Okay. Now. So WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, like this. Just wait a moment, guys. I'll back. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So WebDriver is a interface, right? WebDriver is a interface. Driver is a web nickname, like a reference name. New is a keyword. whenever you are creating a new object, we will use new keyword. Now Chrome driver is a drivers we are using here. Okay. Now driver dot get string. Okay. Now so method get method we are using get method. So what is the application? I'll take facebook.com. Okay. So I'll give here open facebook.com. See here. Now I'll open this one. Okay, it is asking import, guys. So it is asking to here import Chrome driver jars. Okay, just click on. Now it is showing here. Okay, so this is for Selenium. So this is for Chrome driver. Okay, so it will come. No need to remember all these things. It will import from that separate location. Now I'll explain anyhow. Don't worry. So what we are doing here, guys? Open application. We are going to launch one application. Okay, first we are launching browser, that is a Chrome driver, Chrome browser, and after that we are opening the facebook.com. Okay, now so let me execute this one. What happened? So it is throwing some error. See here. So what is that error? The path of the driver executable file must be set by the webdriver.chrome. Okay. So it is asking to set the property. Okay. So that thing we need to complete here. Set the property. So that is some exception error. It's showing some exception error. Okay. So that I'll check here. So now I'll write here system dot set property. Okay, see here set property here we have. Okay, you can see here set property here. Okay, okay, if you are using that set property you need to use two values. Okay, string key and string values. Okay, now here, so in which browser you are going to launch here? Okay, Chrome, right? Chrome browser. Okay, we'll go and write webdriver dot chrome dot driver. Okay, okay. Now, well, hope you all are downloaded the Chrome driver. Okay, so that where is that pro? I'll take here from this. Okay, so Chrome driver, where is that location? I will take from here. I'll show you. So this is resources Chrome driver. I have taken here dot exe file, that is dot exe file. Okay, so it should be in double quotes as it is string. Okay, guys. So where is our Chrome driver.exe? Here, see here, resource folder. So that is the same path we are giving here. Resources Chrome driver.exe. Okay. So this is a path we are giving here. Okay. Now I'll go and I'll execute. So let's check it. The pod driver must be system dot. I'll do one thing. Okay. The same code we are writing here, right? I'll take it. Let me check it with this. Maybe some. If it is throwing exception, okay. So exception, it is throwing some exception. I'll take that also. So exception also. Let's take it. Okay. Now let's execute this one. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Super guys. You are becoming an automation test engineer. Now it is open, right? Okay. Now I'll tell you. So the actual use of all this thing. Okay. So the facebook.com is open here. What happened here, guys? So what we are doing here, just earlier it's throwing some exception. Okay, we are using this exception, throwing exception, throws exception. Okay, now after that what we are doing here, path, we are setting the path, system.set property. So here the string values. Okay, so what is that? Webdriver dot chrome driver and resources chrome driver folder. Where is my chrome driver? Here, resources folder I have created. Okay, so that is a .exe. Now perfect, I'll remove this one. Now after that what happened here, webdriver equal to new. Webdriver is a interface, driver is a nickname, new is a keyword, and chrome driver we are open to use. Okay, that is a chrome browser. Now driver dot get method, we are taking get method, get the url. What is that? facebook.com. Super. Okay, now okay guys, now let's, it's executed a small window. Let's maximize that window. I'll show you that maximizing the window. So at first, if you wish to test any of the application, then first your browser should up. Okay, your browser should be up whenever your URL. Once you, let me see. Whenever you, it is going some back, see here. Okay, like this. So actually, this is not browser. So here the browser URL is what exactly we are trying to do here. Forget about this webdriver. Let's maximize that. So webdriver methods. Okay, all the webdriver methods. Let's try to execute here. Okay. Now Facebook is open. First we are launching Chrome browser. Okay, so I'll write here launching Chrome browser instance. Then after, what happened? It is open URL using get method, right? So that is the same thing we are doing here, get method. Correct. Perfect. Is it clear? Is it clear? Get method is we open the URL. Okay. Now let's open. I'll give some wait. That means thread dot sleep. I'll give sleep. Okay. I'll give some 300 seconds. I mean 3000 seconds means 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds, guys. Right? Okay. Because if it is going fast, you can give some time like 2 seconds or 3 seconds. 1 second are equal to 1000 milliseconds. Now I'll give here some 2000. That is enough. 2 seconds is enough. Thread dot before going for the next operation. So we opened the URL that facebook.com. Now maximize the window. I'll maximize the window here. Maximize the window. Before that I'll write driver dot manage, okay, dot shit, driver dot manage dot window, okay, dot now what is that, maximize, it is going, okay, it's showing maximize the window. That's it. Okay, so let's execute now. Let's go on execute. See here, now browser is up, facebook.com is open, okay, so window also maximize it, okay, fine, super. Now I'll use some delete cookies, just only single line of comment, maximize. Now delete all cookies, okay. Now thread dot sleep 2000 gives 2000 milliseconds. Now driver dot manage delete all cookies. That's it. That only one single line of statement syntax. That's it only, guys. So let's go on execute. I'll write one more thing also. After that, open URL under navigate method. Also we have seen earlier WebDriver methods. Now open URL using navigate method, okay. Navigate method thread dot sleep and okay, what we'll do here, driver dot manage sorry, navigate method, okay, and then we'll go to string, okay. So I'll give some, what is that, google.com. I'll give some URL here, google.com, okay. Now so it is navigating from one URL, that is Facebook already open, okay, from previous to that navigating to that google.com after that, okay. Let me show you by executing this program. Okay, it is running now. Chrome is up. and facebook.com is opened. After that, it is maximized. The window is maximized. Now it is down deleted cookies. Now it is navigating to google.com. Perfect. Super. Okay. So it is at game. If you can see here, this Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. There is a description here. Right? Right, guys? So it is automating by that some tool. So that is Selenium we are using. Okay. So I'll close this one. Perfect. Now refresh the page. Refresh the page. Refresh the page. Thread dot sleep 2000 seconds. Now it is see driver dot navigate dot refresh. Okay, so the page get refresh here by using that refresh method. Okay, okay. Now suppose if you wish to navigate back now, navigate to back. One more thing, I'll write here thread dot sleep 2000. I'll give okay driver dot navigate to back. So once it's back, your Facebook should get open here, right? So just execute now. Let me execute again. Okay, Facebook is open. It is maximized now, and then it will delete the cookies. After that, Google is opening. Okay, Google is open. Now it will refresh. If you can see, it is refreshing. Now it is back. Now Facebook is not open. Okay, so it is back now. Earlier it is Google. Now it is back to Facebook. Right? Okay. Now suppose if you wish to navigate forward. Forward. Thread dot sleep. After back, it should get forward. Driver dot navigate method and forward. Right? Now again forward. Google should open here. So let me execute now. Now Chrome is up, browser is up, Facebook is open, and it is maximized the window. Now it is deleting the cookies. After that, it is opening google.com. Now the page is getting refresh. Now again it is back Facebook. Now again it is going to forward. Now Google is open, right? Okay, so this is working fine. Super. Now let's execute now one more thing. Fetch the current URL. What is that current URL? Facebook.com. Fetch the current URL. No. Thread dot sleep. Okay. Now sys out driver dot system dot out dot println driver dot I'll give here get current URL. Okay, get current URL. The method. Now I'll open, I'll execute now. See here. So guys, we are checking few maximum methods, whatever we have total 13 WebDriver methods. See, so let's execute maximum number of WebDriver methods. See here, it is performing automation. It is in control. Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So it is open now. Page current URL, right? Okay, it is done now. I'll show you. If you can see here, it is fetching here. It is getting printed here. See here, output google.com. It is getting printed. Perfect. Standard.println. The current URL getting fetched. You can see here. So Google is open and Google is getting printed. Right? Right? Perfect. Now. So your current URL google.com. Okay. Okay. Now, what is that? So I'll show you one more thing. Guys are there with me? Can you please respond? Is perfect. Okay. Okay. Now get the title. Get title of the current web page. Okay. So this is thread dot sleep 2000 means milliseconds. Okay. Driver dot navigate. Get the title of the page. Now I'll write here navigate back. Okay. Driver dot get title. I'll write here system.out.println. So here instead of get current URL, I'll make it get title. So this is get title. Perfect. Okay. So I'll see. I'll execute once again. Automation. Open. Facebook is open. Facebook.com. It's maximized. Deleting cookies. Google is open. It is refreshing. And it is going back. Navigate into back. And again it is navigate into forward. Google is open. Now Google is fetch. Okay. And it will get current URL. See here. So this is the title Google is getting. After that, so if you wish to close the browser now, so it is crystal clear. Driver dot close. That's it. Only single. Okay. So it will close the browser. All the after completion of all the operations, whatever we are given, it will close. So at last it will close. See here, just observe. Okay, you can see it is getting close. So this is all about WebDriver. Okay, okay. So it is closed now. Okay, guys. So please capture this one. Let me know once you are done. Hope it's clear. So total how many methods here tell? Git method and navigate method and manage, delete all cookies. Sorry, manage and navigate, back, refresh, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 methods we are done, right? Close. Now I'll open the syllabus. So exports done. Contents. How to handle checkbox and radio buttons. Mm, I'll take. Will take. So here handling cookies, guys. We are good with that. Only one liner of code, right? Handling cookies here. So this is done. I'll make it is done. Okay. No. So the first Selenium project we are done with, right? Okay. So is it done? So the first program is done. Now one more thing I'll show you. It'll take another 5 to 10 minutes. I'll close. Just a minute. Handling checkbox and radio buttons. I'll show you. So we are good with the export, right? Handling checkbox and radio buttons. Okay. Hmm. So checkbox. So we have a couple of methods here. I'll write here. Radio button and checks checkbox handling. Okay, now listen here. The way to deal with checkbox and radio button is exactly the same. that the main difference checkbox we can select, okay, multiple, but radio button we can select only one. That is the difference. Okay, now we handle radio button or checkbox using click method. That's it. Okay, so if the hub element is displayed or not, if the radio button is selected or not, enabled or not, okay, so it's like click method we will use here. Now before performing click action on web elements, sometimes we need to verify below condition. Okay, now let's check it. What are that? If the element is enabled, there is a function is enabled. Okay, it is return boolean. What is that boolean? True or false? True or false. In the same manner, we have two more methods. Okay. So that will be all right here. If the element is displayed, okay, is displayed. Here the method is displayed. It is also return type. Now, if the method is selected, okay, so it is also return type boolean true or false. Okay, so please capture this one. So this is a handler of radio buttons. What's the date today? 21. Now I'll tell you. So couple of more things. So I'll just tell you one of the program. The single thing I'll tell you. So is it clear till now? So now I'll go to Eclipse. Where is this one, right? Selenium.java. This is our project. Now I'll write one class. I'll create a radio button. Now I'll take main method. Okay. Now setting the property, I'll take this one completely. up to open the Facebook. Okay. Up to here, I'll take the same. Now. Okay. So we are setting the property here. Mhm. Property of Chrome browser and pausing Chrome driver's path. That's it. Okay. Now we are launching the, after setting property, we are launching the browser. Okay. What I am doing here, you are getting night. Then I will open facebook.com. Okay. Then I am maximizing this window. So maximize the window, it is not required here. Okay guys, as of now it is clear up to here. So the same thing in previous class, that is open application, we have seen that earlier. Okay. Now, so here I'll make it thread.sleep. So it is throwing some error, that means throws exception. I'll copy from here. Okay, now it is out of error. Okay. Okay guys, now let me execute this one. Chrome is up, facebook.com is open, it is getting maximized. Okay. Okay guys, now so radial buttons and checkbox. Okay, so now I'll inspect this one. So if you can see here, it is a radial button. So that is checkbox, female and male custom. Okay. So now before going for, we need to click on this create a new, right? Now I'll write a export for this one. What is that? It is okay. So I'll make it right export. Okay. What is that? Tag name input, right? The tag name is, sorry, it is a, export is a here. Okay. So driver dot find element export. So it is a, if you can see here, a. Okay. Now what is id here? Contains u underscore 0 underscore 0. Okay. Now what is that? Contains, okay, contains at the rate id. Okay. Now what is that which is containing? U underscore 0 underscore 0. See here, it is 1 out of 1, it should get now here. I'll close it. Okay, so here I'll show you facebook.com by id. Okay. a hyphen contains. Okay, what is that? Export. Where is that? So this one, right? We are writing. Okay, so this is we are writing here. Contains. So A is a tag name, and okay, what is that? It is having U ID. Where is ID? ID. A contains ID. Okay, comma. What is that? Is tag name A. It is here, right? ID equal to U underscore 0 underscore 0. It should get like this, right? ID U. A is a tag name, contains. Okay, contains 8. Sorry guys, I should open parentheses. Okay, and should close parenthesis. That is perfect. Okay, now it is 1 out of 1 right here. So that is a export we are writing here for this one, create new account. So this is a create account. If you can see here, it is highlighting here. Tag name is A and ID. What is ID? ID equal to U underscore 0 underscore 0. So that is end up here. So I'll take this one, export. I'll copy and the same. I'll go and I'll paste here. Driver dot find element, not elements. We are taking single, so I'll take find element by export. We are taking right export. So what's the string here? So this is the string we have taken. Okay. Now, so dot click method. We need to add here click method. That's it. Okay. So this is a radio button. So let's execute this one. Let me execute. It is going to click or not. Now Chrome is up. Facebook maximize. Okay. See here, it is open now. It's clicked on the create new account. Okay. Then it is open. Okay. Create new account. See here, it is open. I'll close all these things. Okay. Now it is open here. So now take export for this one also. Now I'll go and execute this one female. I'll take here. Okay. So female. So this is female. So the first way how we can handle this radio button. Okay. Now, so this is input. Okay. The tag name is input. Okay. That name equal to female. That is this. Okay. ID equal to 6. Female or male. What is that? Gender is showing that. Okay. female or male. So the capture the X path for this one. Okay. So I'll go and I'll write. So what is the tag name? Suppose if you wish to click on female. Okay. So you can see the value 1 here. So value is 1 here. If you can see here, value 1. Now tag name is input. Okay. At value equal to, is it clear? Perfect, right? It is unique 1 out of 1, right? So this is a X path. Now first way, now thread dot sleep 2000 seconds I'll give. Now driver dot find element by X path. Okay, so the string is okay. If you can see here, after that click method, that's it. We can make it the same thing. The execute this one. It is getting loading. Chrome is up. Maximize the window. After that, it is clicking on create new account. Now female is selected here. See here. So this radial button is selected here. It is in blue color selected. Okay. Now I'll go and click on male. Okay. If you wish to click on male, so let's see. So what is the X path for this one? If you wish to click on male, what is the X path? So the value is 2 here, right? Okay, so the same input is a tag and the value is 2. Okay, now I'll make it is 2. Okay, okay. Now custom one, I'll take again for custom thread dot sleep. Okay, so it is 2000 now. Driver dot find a element by X path. Okay, so what is that X path? So custom one here, what is that value? I'll show you. So the custom one here, that X path is, what is this? It is -1, that is -1. The value is in tag name is input, value is 1. I'll take this one. One. Okay, and then click method. That's it. Okay, guys. Okay. Now let me execute this one. So it is open, create a new account. It is click on female and male also is selecting, and custom one also it is selecting. Male. Oh, what happened? Custom is not selected. So what has happened? The custom one, something is wrong here. Chrome is not Chrome version. Mhm. Okay, there is some error here, right? That is how getting error. Let me close. Perfect. Okay, now after that I'll close again. Okay, it's supposed to select a male, female, and custom. First, it will select on female. Okay, it is selecting. Yes, perfect. Female is selected, and male is selected, and custom also is selected. Super, perfect. You guys are getting the automation test engineer bias. Perfect, right? Okay, so this is how radio buttons. Okay, how to handle the radio buttons. Okay, now I'll write here some close divert dot close. After that, if you wish to close, you can close it. Mhm. So radio buttons. So this is the way how you handle the radio buttons. So list and set also. This is a high time to start. So not now. In the next class I will take. Okay, it is closed now. Okay, guys. So please capture this one. Screenshot for this one. Radio buttons. Done, guys. So radio buttons. It is very easy, right? Mhm. Okay. Now. Okay, please capture this one. Okay, good. So I'll stop here for the day. Next things will continue in the next class. Radio buttons, how to check, how to handle checkbox and radio buttons. Okay. Now. So I'll stop here for the day. So thank you. Thanks for joining, guys. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye. We'll meet on next class.